eye peas, sweet as the moment when the pod went pop.
Yes, bird's eye peas are as sweet as that because they're freshest picked, freshest frozen. That's what makes bird's eye peas so much sweeter. Pop some in your mouth and taste what we mean. See? They're sweetest because they're freshest. And all for only £1 and 1 in 11 a packet. Bird's eye fresh green peas.
Pop, pop, pop into your bird's eye shop for bird's eye fresh green peas, sweet as the moment when the pod went pop.
Bird's eye fresh green peas.
Little things matter to a bird's eye mum, like bird's eye peas. They're always special, always young and sweet. Bird's eye garden peas or the new supreme peas.
Next week we're gonna make paper animals.
The experts say the bird's eye garden peas are ready. None of them must lose their natural flavour. So speed is needed now. Every pea will be picked and frozen in less than 2.5 hours. Bird's eye are the only ones who promise this. And by freezing within 2.5 hours, every pea is tender, sweet perfection every time. So if bird's eye peas are picked at dawn, they're frozen before breakfast.
Bird's eye peas, sweet as the moment when the pod went